Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy USDT using Cashapp. So first we're going to go to our browser. Next we're going to search for Binance.com. Then next we're going to go to the login page. If we don't have an account, we could sign up. So then once we're logged in, this is our Binance official page. So next we're going to click on deposit button on the top right corner. Then click on P2P trading. So as you can see, this is the P2P trading page. So we're going to click on all payment methods. Search for Cashapp. So once we click on Cashapp, it's going to tell us the list of people who accept Cashapp. So I'm going to buy from one of them. So we're going to click on buy USDT. Then we're going to insert the amount we want to pay. I put in 150, for example. It's going to show us how much we receive in USDTs. Then next we're going to click on buy USDT. So here we're going to copy the $150 and we're going to go to our Cashapp and pay there. So once we paid on our Cashapp, we'll come here and we're going to click on transfer, notify seller. So this is how you buy USDT using Cashapp. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you from again. Goodbye.